access modifier in Java. Okay, so what is access modifiers? What is access modifiers? Any idea? Access modifiers. We have already discussed access modifiers at the beginning of the session. What is access modifier? Access modifiers basically used to limit the scope of the variables under functions. Okay. See, how do we limit actually? To implement abstraction and encapsulation of the characteristics of the class, we use access modifiers. So what is abstraction? Hiding irrelevant information and exposing relevant information. That is nothing but abstraction. So end user can only see what he can use. He cannot see the internal logic of the class. So that is nothing but an abstraction. What is encapsulation? We encapsulate member variables and functions inside a class. This can be implemented by using access modifiers. So basically, we can implement abstraction using encapsulation. Encapsulation can be implemented technically using access modifiers. Public, private, protected, and default. These are the Java provided access modifiers. What is their scope? What is their scope? What is the scope of these access modifiers? Okay, access modifiers, if you don't mention any access modifier, it is called as a default access modifier. Okay, so the scope of this modifier is limited to the package only. If you don't specify by default, it is considered as a default access modifier and its scope is limited to package only. It means that if you have a class with a default access modifier in a package, only these classes that are in this package can access this class. Okay. What are the classes we have? Those are in this package can access the particular class which has a default access modifier. So we create a class, but we don't add any access modifier. That means they are default. They are default classes. I will show you one simple example. We have imported employee pkg.employee demo. Okay, this is a subclass. Inside this, we have student demo. Okay, even if you just delete it, yeah, can't do that. Let me go to where we have two classes. Yeah, here we have multiple classes. See, package demo, otherwise go to employee demo.java, where we have a class called public employee demo. Okay, another one, private employee Java. Okay, I will create one more class. It's a default class. Okay, default class. Okay, so in a default class, we are going to implement certain functionality. We are going to implement certain functionality, right? Yes. So this is a default demo, and this is inside the package of employee pkg. That's the package name. So shall we use this class inside the package? Of course, we can do that. See, just go to employee demo.java, and here inside this class, I'm just going to create an object. Okay, what is the object actually? Just go to private employee. So copy this default class, Control C. Okay, how we are able to access this class? How we are able to access this class? Hope you are able to view my screen. Please respond. Okay. See how we are going to access this class. Since it is a default class inside this private employee.java file, there are two classes. One is a default class, another one is a private employee. Private employee is a public class. We have added an access modifier keyword called public, but we haven't added any access modifier before default class. That is the reason this class is a default class. Default class is nothing but the class doesn't have any access modifier. If we don't add any access modifier, this class can be leveraged inside the same package. And it would not be visible in the class of another package. Try to instantiate where's the employee Java. Yes, copy this statement, Control C. Okay, I'm going to other package. This is another package, employee package.address, where I'm just going to create an object for this. See, you got an error. See why? Change to default. Okay, there are various recommendations has given. Okay, it is asking to create a one more class again. Since it's a default class, we can't access this class outside the package. Clear?
Yes.
Default classes cannot be accessed outside the package. Outside the same package. Outside the package. Okay. And here coming to employee demo, we can access default classes in the same package. Okay, that is all about the default access modifier in a Java. Is it clear? Okay. No. Then coming to, I'm going to comment this. Yeah. Okay. So what is private access modifier? Tell me, what is a private access modifier? The scope of the private access modifier is limited to the class only. We cannot access outside the class. Very simple. Okay. We cannot access outside the class. Yeah. So the private data members and methods are only accessible within the class. As we know, if you create a, if you add a private access modifier before a data member function, data member or a data method, these are accessible within the class. And class and interface cannot be declared as a private. We cannot use private keyword in front of class or interface. By default, class is a public. If you don't use any access modifier, by default, it is a default access modifier. Okay. If a class has a private constructor, then you cannot create the object of that class from outside of the class. Okay. If you have a private constructor, then we cannot create the object of that class from outside of the class. So these are the properties of access modifier in Java. And coming to protected, when to use protected basically? Okay, let's say I think I have some demo in protected. Package demo. Yeah, it's okay. And we will create. What is protected? Protected data member and methods are only accessible by the classes of the same package, one thing. So we can access only within the package. Okay. See here, we have created already employee demo where, yeah, here you can see, sorry, private employee. We have two classes. Here I'm just going to make it as a protected. Okay. And this one also I'm going to make as protected. Okay, so protected data member and methods are only accessible by the classes of the same package. That means we can access this ID and employee name wherever we required in the same package. Even you can leverage this these variables inside a employee demo.java. Okay, similarly this one also. Okay, then simply change to identify default class. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. Now, shall we access these member variables and functions? Protected. Yeah. Okay. Now we have a class. There are two variables and one function. It's a protected, and this method also protected. Shall we use these member variables inside the same package? Of course, we can use. We can use member variables and functions by the class of the same package, and the subclasses present in any package. Subclasses present in any kind of package. Okay. So let's see now. I'll write I have already written a simple package here, and this is a default class. Inside there are two member variables and one function display that's protected in nature. Okay. Then I'm going to create a one more package. This is another package. Here we have another package, and here I'm just going to create a. Otherwise, we'll create here address.class.java. I'm just going to extend it. Extends. Okay. Extends. What's the class name here? The class name is default class. Okay, we got an error because we need to import it basically. So import it. Okay, still got an error. Oh, you need to change it to public. Yes, I'm going to change it to public because it doesn't allow again. Two classes cannot have a public in front of the class name in the same file. And so I need to change it. Okay, where's the default class? This is a default class, right? This is a default class. So what I will do, okay, see, I will show you public. Immediately got an error because we have already one public class. Okay, if you have public type, automatically that should be defined its own file. And so I'm just going to create one more class. Okay, Control C, Control X, just right click, just now class. Okay, default class protected. Okay. Okay, perfect. Now this is the class name. Control C. Okay, this is another package. So protected default class. From here, what is there? Is already defined. Yes, of course, it's already defined in another class, and so I'm just going to change the name. So coming to the demo part. Okay, we have I think this one package demo, not this one, employee demo. I think yes, employee demo. Okay, so now I'm going to change the name of the class. It's okay, protected. Okay, now we don't have any error. We don't have any error. Get here, we don't have any error. Okay, now we can access these member variables. See here we have a object defined for this one. Okay, after that you can access these methods anywhere if you want. Anywhere, wherever you want, you can create it actually. So otherwise you can create inside a display also. There's a display method, inside display method. Okay, system dot, okay, out dot println of obj. So I'm just going to take this one, Control C, Control V, dot display. But I think we can't use in a system dot out dot println. I'm just going to call this method directly. Correct. So what's the error? Create a type protector default class. Yes, of course we have created.
Spelling also mistake.
Spelling is different. Display, correct only, right? Ah, correct. Yes. So very confusing. What I have written, where I have written. It's very confusing, but try to understand the access modifiers. It's very, very important. So where is this class? Yeah. Instead of display, it should be default or display. So display underscore default class. Okay. See, try to understand if it is a protected, the access modifier is protected and added in front of the class, we can use that class in a derived class. Okay, you can use it in a derived class, one thing. Second thing, we can also use the same, okay, member variables and functions within the same package. That means it is equivalent to public. On top of it, we can also access these classes inside a derived class. Employee demo, we are just extends, okay, extends this class, Control C, Control V. Okay, so see, either you can create an object, that means its scope is a bit above public. Okay, so we are able to access directly by creating an object and use it, one thing. I mean, without extending the parent class. Without extending the parent class, we can directly create an object and access it. That is a one approach. Another approach is we can extend the class and directly use those classes inside another package. Yeah, another package. So protected access modifier enables okay, access a class in another package, because the classes extends with the access modifier called protected has a scope of both public as well as the class which is derived. So private protected data member and functions are only accessible by the classes of the same package. That means we can access in the same package, one thing. Second thing, subclasses present in any package. See, where is this package actually? Employee, okay, employee demo. It is inside a, okay, employee PKG. But what about the default class? Where is this class? Where is this class? Default, protected default class is in a outside this class. Outside this class. Is it so? Okay. I'm just moving to employee details. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So now we got an error in address. What is the address? What is the error? Yeah, it is maybe. It is already the old one. Extends default class. So change default class in a package employee. Yeah. Now look at here. This is a protected default class that is inside employee pkg.address. And where we are accessing it actually, we are able to access in a employee demo.java. Here. It's always confusing. Yeah. Here we are accessing it actually. How that is possible? That is possible because protected class has access modifier called protected before the variable and as well as the functions. That's why we are able to access default class, display underscore default class even outside the package, and even we are able to access this in the derived class also. Now we got the scope of the protected access modifier. Then public, we know, members and functions are methods and classes that are declared public, can be accessed from anywhere we can access. Okay, so these access modifier doesn't put any kind of restriction on the access. If you place a public, member variables and functions can access outside the class, same class outside the package also can be accessible. So these are the different access modifiers provided by Java. So look at here, there's a simple table. Okay, try to understand. Public class, yes, of course. Okay, we can access same class and outside the class also. Okay, and a package, of course, we can access this public class from another class also. Subclass, of course, same package, we have another class, subclass, yes, of course, you can access this. And different package, of course, you can access it because it's a public type. And then finally, outside the class, yes, we can access outside the class also. Okay, coming to protected, I said within the class, within the package, outside the package, and same package we can access, and different package also we can access. See, protected underscore default underscore class is in employee package underscore address. Where we are accessing from a employee package. Both are different packages. Still we are able to access it. Is it clear? Yeah.
Yeah.
Protected. Okay, function method can access outside the package and in a derived class. Also. Okay. Now coming to the next access modifier. Okay. So default. If it is a default within the class, within the package, and sub package also can access, but subclass we can't access because since it's a default type, we can't access the default classes outside the package. Okay, and outside the class also we can't use. We can't use outside the class also. Coming to private, okay, except the same class, its access is restricted. Except the same class, we have a class called XYZ, where we have created a private, private int some name, private int comma ID, and ID can be accessed within the class. Outside the package we can't access. Within the same package also we can't access. Subclass also we can't access. Subclass means derived class. Subclass in a different package also we can't access, and outside the class also we can't access. This is the scope of access modifiers. Hope you are clear with the access modifiers.